up, everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make butter bath bombs. These are perfect for cold weather. We've had 20-degree Fahrenheit weather for 3 days in a row, which is extremely abnormal here in Louisiana. So I thought I'd make a very comforting and moisturizing bath treat. These bath bombs have skin-loving ingredients like clay, milk powder, and the star ingredient, cocoa butter chunks. As the butter chunks drift away from the bomb, they slowly melt in the water, leaving your skin soft and moisturized. Please read the description for the recipe, substitutions, tips, and the supply list at the bottom. First, prepare your butter. You'll need to use a hard butter like cocoa, kokum, or cupuacu butter. 35 grams is a good starting point, but the amount added is up to you. I didn't have this issue because it's been so cold, but if you find the butter is sticking together, sprinkle a bit of cornstarch. You can keep chopping until the butter is in tiny uniform pieces, or put it in the blender and pulse 2 to 3 times. Just don't leave it in there too long because the friction will heat and melt the butter. Once it's done, set it aside. I normally add cornstarch here, but I replaced it with kaolin clay. You can use any clay or just use cornstarch. For this half cup, add any skin-loving ingredient that you want. I used coconut milk powder. The titanium dioxide makes the water an opaque white, just like milk. The SLSa makes the bath bomb last longer and adds foam and lather. Add wet ingredients slowly while whisking and mix the batch. Then thoroughly mix and knead it with your hands. The mixture should hold together when squeezed. Now add the butter chunks. I'm using a 2.5-inch stainless steel mold, which will be linked in the description. Fill the mold and pack it. Then sprinkle loose mix on top. Smush the two sides together tightly. Then tap with a spoon to release the bomb. I love bath bombs. I find them fun and entertaining, but this one was really special because it's also great for skin. The butter chunks melt slowly. They turn into small pools of oil on top of the water that eventually disappears. Everything ends up mixing together and you're left with soft, velvety, and milky white water. After soaking in the tub, my skin was really soft, supple, and moisturized. I had to show you this bath bomb. I made it with the exact same recipe, except I split the batch in half and added gold mica and 1/8 cup of SLSa to this batch and then nothing to this one. I wanted to keep the butter bomb simple, so I didn't give you this recipe. But as you can see, this one has more action and reactions. It's more entertaining, plus it floats. Most of you already know that I have a real problem when it comes to making plain bath bombs. It's impossible for me not to add multiple batches for different reactions in the water, mica, eco glitter, and color, let alone none of them at all. So I made this one first, then challenged myself to make a glamour-free bath bomb. And I was able to do it. I mean, kind of. Anyways, look how beautiful. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.